Hare Krishna. We are there at the most auspicious, merciful, holy place of Panihati Dham. So Panihati is the eternal place of Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu. It is said that Lord Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu eternally reside here on the bank of Ganga. You can see Ganga flowing there so beautifully. So this is the banyan trees below which Nityananda Prabhu would sit and he performed this Chida Dahi Utsav. So we all know this pastime that Raghunath Das Goswami, when he hears that Nityananda Prabhu is here, he takes permission of his father and comes here, and then Nityananda Prabhu very mercifully punishes him. He tells him that now you feed Chida Dahi to all my associates. So Nityananda Prabhu is always in the mood of a coward boy. So he was there with many of his associates who are eternal Gwal Bal of Krishna Leela. So they all sat around this beautiful banyan tree and they performed this Chida Dahi Utsav. And Nityananda Prabhu actually called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also participated in this festival. So just like Krishna Balaram would eat honor prasad along with their friends on the bank of Yamuna. So similarly, Gaur Nitai had that beautiful pastime here. So Panihati Gram is actually considered non-different than Vrindavan Dham also. And this place is very important because this is where Raghunath Das Goswami received the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu and he actually got the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So without the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, one cannot get into the pastimes of Mahaprabhu and get into the entrance into the Leela of Mahaprabhu. So Nityananda Prabhu's mercy is very important for all of us. Close by is the house of Raghav Pandit. So actually Nityananda Prabhu came here to honor food in the house of Raghav Pandit. And then he performed the Chida Dahi Utsav here. So Raghav Pandit is also a very great devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He and his sister Damayanti, they would cook prasad for the Lord. And it is explained that Srimati Radharani would personally come in their kitchen and cook. And Mahaprabhu would love their prasad. So these two places, Raghav Pandit's house is a place where eternally Mahaprabhu stays. And wherever Nityananda Prabhu performs his kirtan and his dancing, which Nityananda Prabhu did here. So Panihati Gram is an eternal place of Mahaprabhu, it's an eternal place of Nityananda Prabhu along the bank of Ganga. So just like Raghunath Das Goswami got the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu and Mahaprabhu here. So we can offer our prayers to Panihati Gram, Panihati Dham and seek the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu in our lives also. So just like Raghunath Das Goswami was experiencing a lot of obstacles in his life in order to surrender to Lord Chaitanya. But by getting the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, everything became very easy for him. So similarly in our lives, we all keep struggling in the path of Bhakti. But if we get the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, especially in this holy place of Panihati Dham, definitely all our obstacles will pass away and we will get the mercy of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Panihati Dham ki jai, Ganga Maiya ki jai, Nityananda Rai ki jai, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai, Raghunath Das Goswami ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.